Okay, there's a bird nest around here somewhere. Because every time I come out, except today because I'm being filmed. Oh, there's the bird. I get attacked by this bird. By attacked, I mean dive bombed and swooped. So I thought maybe the nest was up there, but it's not. So I don't know what kind of birds these are. Quick, if you know, comment below. Let's see if we can call them out. There we go. There he is. My trees need a trimming. So historically, they've been in here, but there's no nest in here. There's no nest in here. There's no nest in here. And no nest here. Maybe in the Christmas tree. I did find it. There's the nest. With live birds in it. Whoa! Yes! There we go. Attack bird. Dun dun dun. See, there he is. Alright, let's leave him alone. Fast forward just a couple of weeks later, no attack birds. So one of two things happened. But I know one thing for sure. They're probably not here anymore. Nope, they are gone. So hopefully they survived and took flight. I don't remember seeing any predatory hawks around scoping the place out, so I think they survived and they're gone. Good for you, birds.